and mabuhay! We are from Block 80. I am Laika Nadine Abreu.
And I am General Peros.
I'm Bumatay K. Brancel Claire, videographer and editor.
And we are here to present our Stranger Interaction Task.
For this activity, we interviewed two individuals. The first one is an employee we met on the street, and the second one is a college student in the park.
Ang unang tanong ko po is, for you, what makes good customer service?
Kapag ang mga staff ay respectful, friendly, and willing to help customers need.
Can you share a memorable experience with customer service, good or bad?
I have good experience in customer service that all the staff treated me warmly and served the food on time.
And the last question po is, what do you expect from staff in a hotel or a restaurant?
All the staff should be politely, attentive, and professional.
And thank you po and have a good day po. I am a college student po. Pwede ka po bang ma-interview about sa customer service po? Sige po. Ate, anong estado mo sa buhay? Estudyante ka ba or empleyado? Student ka lang. Okay. Unang tanong ko po, for you po, what makes good customer service?
Kapag yung mga staff approachable at helpful sa mga customers.
Pangalawang tanong ko is, can you share a memorable experience with customer service po?
Yung mali yung naibigay sa akin na order sa restaurant. Tapos, yung nirate yung customer, yung pinatan naman nila ng bakit yung order.
And last question po, what do you expect from staff in a hotel or restaurant?
Siyempre, dapat hospitable sila. Tapos, kind. Tsaka, lalong-lalo na inisip nila yung customer. Kung may kailangan pa ba yung customer.
Okay po. Yun lang po. Thank you po. Have a good day. When we asked about what makes good customer service, both respondents highlighted the importance of being approachable and helpful. The employees shared that good customer service means being respectful, friendly, and willing to help customers with their needs. Similarly, the student mentioned that staff should be approachable and helpful when assisting customers.
In terms of experiences, the employee shared a good experience where the staff greeted them warmly and served the food on time, which made them satisfied. On the other hand, the student shared an experience where their order was incorrect, but when they raised their concern, the staff immediately replaced it. This shows that even when problem happen, good service recovery can still create a positive impression.
When it comes to expectations, both respondents agreed that staff in hotels or restaurants should be polite and attentive. The employee also mentioned professionalism, while the student highlighted the importance of being hospitable and considering the needs of customers. As future hospitality professionals,
this activity taught us how to be more mindful of how we interact with customers.
and we should always show respect, be attentive, be helpful, and handle situations calmly, especially when dealing with complaints. And make sure that we provide a welcoming and comfortable experience. That ends our presentation. Thank you for listening and God bless.
Thank you.